So that word we call scared. Okay, so SCARD. Okay, everyone, scared. Okay, this is our feeling. Okay, now we have more, but teacher only teach you only 5 feeling. Okay, so this one we call that feeling. Okay, so read with me again. Happy. Okay, number 2, sad. Number 3, surprise. Okay, number 4, worried. Number 5, scared. Okay, how we use them? How we use this word when you want to say? And teacher will ask you sometime. I will ask you, how are you feeling today? Uh, okay, so you have to answer. So teacher is gonna tell you the question like this one. How? Okay, this is the question that you always mostly hear this one. How are you feeling? Okay, today, something like that. Okay, so teacher will put more here. Okay, today. Okay, so you can answer with verb to be. All right, with verb to be. So your answer is to be I am. Okay, I am happy today. Okay, I am happy today. Okay, or the short form of I am is am. Okay, I'm happy, or you can put the word express more that you like more happy, so you can say I'm so happy today. Okay, something like that. Okay, so teacher give you the one more like a short sentence. I'm so happy today. Okay. Okay, so like this. So all of this, you can get this form like similar. If you feel sad, how you can answer? Yeah. Hey, girls. Hey, boy. How are you feeling today? You can say, oh, I'm so sad today because I'm so hungry. Something like that. Okay. Or, oh, how are you feeling today? Today your friends make you surprising of your birthday today. Something like that. How do you feel? Or how are you feeling today? Something like that. So you're gonna say, I'm so surprised. Okay? Okay, and one more. Like this word is we call that worried. Okay, so the word worried it means that yeah, you worry something that will happen is a bad situation in the next time, like in the future, something like that. Okay, like teacher mentioned, like teacher example, I have problem with my vehicles. Okay, so mm now it's almost 7 o'clock already, but I'm not yet at my place yet, so I have worried that. Okay, so maybe I will be late, maybe 15 or 20 minutes. Okay, will be at my place time. So worried. Okay, scare. You know the word scare already. Scare is the word something like you afraid, or you scared the place that dark, or the way that is the way that have a lot of thief, or the way that very dangerous. If you go there alone, what happened to you is something like that. Okay, so that is the word scare. Okay, now repeat picture again. Happy. Okay, sad, surprise, worried, scared. Okay, this is the question you always hear, or teacher gonna change like this. How do you feel? But this is how are you feeling? Okay, teacher use verb to be with the verb ing. But if teacher use how do you feel, so this is like we call it present simple only. So that is the kind of you can answer like with verb to be also. Okay, so thank you everyone. Teacher, I hope that everyone enjoy with this lesson, and yes, and see you in the next video with the new lesson. Okay, bye bye everyone.